Let's walk you through how to install WP Ghost Premium plugin. Log into your WP Ghost dashboard and download the plugin from your account. Second, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins, Add New Plugin section. Click on the Upload Plugin button to open the manual plugin upload option. Browse and add the plugin zip file and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, go to the WP Ghost settings page. In the activation field, add the activation token from your WP Ghost dashboard and activate the license on your website. Now let's configure the paths. Head to the Change Paths section. To quickly secure your site, select Ghost Mode. This mode automatically loads predefined secure names and hides common WordPress paths. Next, you can customize the name of each path, for example, changing Ghost Admin with another path like Custom Admin or leaving them as predefined. After making your changes, remember to click the Save button to apply the changes. Once saved, check the front end and login pages to ensure the new paths have been applied correctly. If you're using an Nginx server, follow the specific instructions provided by WP Ghost to configure your server so the changes take effect properly. Once configured, your new secure paths will be applied to your front end, login, and admin URLs. This helps prevent hack attacks on your website. That's it! You've successfully installed and set up WP Ghost. Enjoy a more secure WordPress site.